And our new flip phone is a testament to that commitment. So we believe that this device will find its place in those who seek a balance between the technology and the lifestyle. As we embark in this exciting journey, I would also like to express our gratitude to our partners and suppliers who have supported us in bringing this vision to our lives. In closing, I invite you to experience our new flip phone for yourself, to touch it, to flip it, and to explore these amazing devices. We look forward to sharing this journey with you together, and we are excited to see how this new flip phone will become part of our lives. Thank you for being here today and for being a part of this moment. Together, let's flip in style on mobile technology and embrace a new era of timeless elegance and innovation. Thank you and enjoy the rest evening. Thank you.